Here comes Nemesis de la Cruz. That's a quick release. That's emergency pass. Nemesis de la Cruz. Whoa! Nice move by Nemesis de la Cruz.
But they'll give up some speed.
Nice reverse, Darrell Manliguez. Running start for the right shirts. Manliguez kaya and gets the basket. Take a look at this replay from Darrell Manliguez skying against Mario Barasi.
Davao Aguilas flying for the layup. Here he comes with a steal. Back to back will it be?
That's an easy basket for Darrell Manliguez. Manliguez looks into Mike De Los Santos behind the back to Richard Popovich.
What a play, right? We'll see it here at the Davao Recreational Center. But that's right away three for
Airboom Campos, now guarded by Linares. Campos at the paint, kicks it out. Krista Chavez knocks down the three. Tournament 2024. So second quarter now underway dito po sa Davao City Recreational Center. That's Oring Katakutan hits a three-point attempt for Ted Saga. Arellano offensive rebound. Contested shot short, but Joray Napoles counted and won. In attempt, Saga secures the rebound.
Yeah, plenty of basketball left. Plenty of time for Davao Aguilas to punch a comeback. They're not letting Valenzuela get some second chance points. Really crashing the defensive boards. Aguilas back on track on his ball game. Back to back.
Napoles for three. Yes, sir!
Unconscious.
Si Manliguez. Extra pass to Santos. Blocked by Napoles. Santos gets it back. One-hander is good.
Recovery by Saga as Napoles was beaten down. Nice pass.
As Saga gets inside.
Was taking a three. Katakutan.
Very crafty move for Oring Katakutan. Able to... That's a three-pointer. DJ Payawal with a cleanup job. Cazona with a putback.
Rim.
Here comes Dennis Santos. All the way, and the layup is good.
Yeah, napaka-veterano na rin. Wow, what a one-on-one move right there, especially on 3-on-2, 2-on-1. So that's the game. The game has changed right now.
Here's our Royal Monday Hotel assist of the game.
Mga big guys ng Davao Aguilas are back dominating defensive glasses. Hanapi.
Able to create some space in the shaded area.
Our score was 13-28 bago nag-timeout si Coach Jigs. Then now it's an ongoing big second quarter explosion right here for the Davao Aguilas.
That's right.
The home team, hindi pinapahiya.
Mario Barasi able to recover.
Clear out.
Poyos gets the shot to go.
The Valenzuela KD stepping up big time.
Didat Hanapi for the answer. Knocks into Campos. Third try for Airboom Campos. Goes glass for two. Napoles, Angeles, and Hanapi. Poyos. Nice bounce pass. Oh, what a
play for the Davao Aguilas, the youngsters out of JMC.
Poyos, another great pass. Mario Barasi gets it to go. Another assist.
Making a difference for Coach Jigs and his squad.
On the other side, Darrell Manliguez with a one-handed shot.
Is impossible. That's a little bit of high-low play.
Gladys Lepalam, nice hook shot.
Wow, great footwork.
Nemesis De La Cruz kontra Nico Barrera. Cross court to Manliguez. He'll fire a three. Yes! Big three. 6 seconds. Darren Manliguez. Emergency pass. Nemesis De La Cruz. Nice move by Nemesis. Nemesis De La Cruz. Right at the
Another carjack finish, just like the first game that we had.
Oh, what a play by CJ Payawal.
Of the overtime.
Here comes Nemesis De La Cruz. That's a quick release. That's
Valenzuela on the run, 2-on-2.
and Mike De Los Santos with a nice finish. Great.
On their way. But of course, sabi nga natin, basketball is a game of run. Bawenyo ang panalo dito sa torneong ito.
As Jory Napoles.
Surprised he was that open. Saga sees some daylight.
Hook pass to Ion for the three. Yes, sir. Good. Slimalam. Face-up jumper off the glass and in. Napoles. Flip shot. No good. Fast break opportunity for Valenzuela. Darrell Manliguez. What a get
Moment to
Oh,
separate.
there's a strip. Dennis Santos, coast to coast for the layup. Jore with a big three. Got it to go. Lobs it to Katakutan. Gets to the basket and lays it up and in. So we're under 3 minutes to go sa ating ball game. The Aguilas still within striking distance. As Boyos, he take charge in the fourth. Boyos, reverse, yes!
If you're Valenzuela, always tries to make things difficult for your opponent. That would put them under.
Valenzuela Classic. 2 free throw opportunities for Mario Barasi and trickles in.
Yeah, big throws for Barasi. That first one was very
The
important.
second one could Valenzuela. Dennis with 4 to shoot. Drives closer, got it!
Clutch. That extends the lead to a double possession.
Jore, that's a top 3. Puts it in! 1-point game!
But time not on their side. Just a second difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Yeah, the penalty.
And there's our Arcadia block of the game. Atin sa inyo ng Arcadia active life
Two fouls before the throws.
And the Aguilas, they have to foul now. And a foul against RB Boyos. With 15 seconds to play sa ating fourth.
A last foul to give.
And Darrell Manliguez able to call out,
The door is still open for Davao Aguilas.
and he converts on the first free throw.
Yeah, to heave a three.
Second shot is coming up for Darrell. That is short. Rebound for the Davao Aguilas. 10 seconds to go. Didat to Ion Angeles for the three. No! Big rebound by Mike De Los Santos.
No need for that three for Angeles. A
For the finishing touches for the Valenzuela Classic. With a half
and Santos, I'm gonna miss it. Yeah, he will.
and that will do it. The Valenzuela Classic survives as they win it 74-72. And that concludes our coverage dito po sa Araw ng Davao Invitational Basketball Tournament 2024. And for the crew of RMJ Sports and the rest of the crew also of the